Railfanning, model railroading, weathering, and much, much more. Hi, I'm Kodi, and this is an Ohio Southern Railroad video. March 19th was a great day, warm and sunny, and to top it all off, we catch a W&LE local working its way back to Mingo Junction in the late evening sun. We are in Martins Ferry, Ohio, where the W&LE trackage goes right through a small business district, as the tracks are right up against these buildings and inches away from the road, providing for some interesting street running shots, with two GP35-3s, units 200 and 111 providing power for today's train. On March 25th, we set up camera just outside the Severstall cold rolling mill, located in Yorkville, Ohio. W&LE usually keeps a unit and a crew on standby here for switching coil cars and gondolas in and out of the mill and yard. Today we catch W&LE 111 and W&LE 300. 300 is a former Union Pacific GP40. This unit was purchased by W&LE from Larry's Truck and Electric in October 2002. Now we watch 300 and 111 pull a string of empty coil cars and gondolas out of the mill complex. Now they are shoving these empties back into a yard, to be picked up by another train later. February 2nd, we are in Bellaire, Ohio. I was told that a loaded CXX coal train was stopped in Bellaire as it was waiting to be recruited, and had W&LE power on point. What a sight to see in 2011, with two W&LE GP35-3s leading a CXX AC 4400 CW and an ES 44 DC. As we move south to catch these units heading up the Bellaire Viaduct, as she prepares to make the upgrade climb to cross the Ohio River into Bedwood, West Virginia. This is a great spot to catch a train if you ever get the chance to. Although it does not see as much traffic as it did once 40 years ago, it is by far worth waiting for though. We are back in Yorkville, Ohio on February 25th. We catch the W&LE local with units 103 and 110, both GP35-3 high hoods, as they throttle up to get their train moving again after stopping and picking up empty coil cars and some loaded scrap guns from the Severstall cold rolling mill in Yorkville. Martins Ferry, Ohio, February 26th. I am testing out a new location shooting off a pedestrian footbridge along Route 7. We watch this loaded Norfolk Southern Somersault coal train work its way north to Mingo Junction. On point we have NS 2777, a SD70M-2, followed by NS 8720, a C40-8, and NS 2564, a SD70. January 26th. I find myself standing on the side of the road waiting for an empty CXX coal train to head north. The only reason I came to catch this train was for the power. With two W&LE SD40-3s leading two CXX ES44 DCs, it was well worth standing out in the cold. Although night videos never turn out well for me, I had enough light to see the train from the Budweiser building parking lot lights. Hey, whatever works. January 15th. With snow still on the ground from a recent storm, we catch another CXX empty as it heads north through Martins Ferry. Powering today's train is CXX 640, a AC 6000, and CXX 508, an AC 4400. Behind them is a long string of Heritage hoppers. This is my first time ever doing narration for a video, and I plan to keep doing it, so they will get better as time goes on. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Ohio Southern, out.